Let's learn AWS. Today, I will attempt to code and test in AWS without logging into Web Console of AWS. There are some prerequisites to this experiment. You should have configured your AWS CLI with access key and password. For any lambdas that you create, you need a role to be created so that it can access SQS, S3, so on. First, I will get information on roles that I already have on my account. Next, we create a role using CLI. To do that, from CLI, you have to grant your CLI user access to IAM. Then execute the create role command shown on screen. Output from the command is also shown on screen. Scripts that I demo today are available in my GitHub repository, link in description. Next, let's create a Lambda function. Lambda function created has timeout of 3 seconds. That is not sufficient for my Java code. I want to increase it to 50 seconds so that the Java jar file loads does not time out. By using CLI update function configuration command, I change the value of timeout to 50 seconds. See output from command shown on screen. Our test was successful. We were able to create, test our Lambda synchronously, and we got the expected response. I prefer command line options instead of web GUI. As developers, we have to execute the same actions tens of times before we can produce a defect-free code. Command line options makes it easier to automate. What do you feel is easier, web GUI or CLI? Reply in comments.